Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to start pairing right now. First, confirm Bluetooth is enabled on your Mac Mini and the mouse has fresh batteries or charge. This prevents intermittent drops. Put the mouse into pairing mode, press and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes, because that broadcasts its identity. On your Mac, open System Settings and select Bluetooth so the scanner can find devices. Once the mouse appears in the list, don't click yet. Pause and verify the device name matches the label on the mouse. Click the device name to initiate the connection. Your Mac will exchange keys with the mouse to secure the link, which is why you might see a prompt or PIN. Enter it only if requested. After the connection succeeds, open mouse settings to set left or right primary button and adjust tracking speed so movement feels natural. If your mouse supports additional buttons, assign functions in keyboard and mouse shortcuts. Once configured, test cursor responsiveness across apps to confirm consistent behavior. Finalize by confirming the mouse stays connected for a few minutes. Keep it within reasonable range and check battery level because weak power causes dropouts. If the device disappears, turn Bluetooth off and on, or remove the mouse from Bluetooth list and pair again to clear stale profiles. For stubborn failures, reset the mouse to factory pairing and reboot your Mac Mini. On older models, reset the SMC. If problems persist, try another Mac or USB receiver to isolate whether the mouse or Mac.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.